the cash it has on the books.
Right. Yeah, the cash burn rate, right? And that's really what they're talking about over at Stern AG. And they're looking at the liquidity levels. And will a capital raise be in the future for JCPenney? That's not good news. 5.5% to the downside.
Two earnings coming out in moments. Groupon and Hewlett-Packard. How's Hewlett-Packard doing?
Yeah, Groupon, Hewlett-Packard, they are both currently winners, Dave. We're keeping an eye on both these. Hewlett-Packard hit a new high today, Meg Whitman's turnaround story. And Groupon, obviously the coupon company, has been a winner over the last 52 weeks.
Good stuff, Nicole. Thank you very much. There are the closing bells as we get ready to report on both Groupon and Hewlett-Packard. As you can see, it is a great trading day. We may not be able to maintain those triple-digit levels on the Dow, but all of the indexes are up. And look at the Russell 2000. We always love rooting for those small and mid-sized caps represented by Russell 2000. That is over 1%. Healthily over 1%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average coming down to about 91 in the last moments of trading. But we have a very busy day with a lot of earnings coming up after the bell starts right now.
And let's go. We take a look at today's market action and your money. We have Jason Pride, Glen Mead, Director of Investment Strategy. Jason's going to tell you, the investor, how to position your portfolio for this economy. And Yudi Chang, Ace Investment Strategist, Chief Trader, has the best way to play this choppy market. But let's start with Chris Gersh. He's joining us from the pits of the CME, where when you woke up this morning, you didn't know which way to turn. We had good data. We had pathetic data. Market didn't even look at that because maybe they were looking at this massive WhatsApp acquisition by Facebook. We had a great rally today.
We did have a great rally today, and the biggest thing that, probably was that WhatsApp at 16 billion, another 3 billion in paper. Those guys at Instagram that got 1 billion, they're probably waking up like, should I held out for a little bit more? What's going on? But the WhatsApp has been really the big talk here. Right behind me in the S&P, we're looking to test that triple high, about 1852 on the futures. If we don't get above that, things are going to start turning bearish here. But as far as the WhatsApp app, you hit it 16 billion. That's a huge story here in Chicago.
By the way, Jason, part of the WhatsApp deal, they got $3 billion for their 55 employees. That comes to about $56 million per employee. Just from one day to the next, they end up with 56 million. You may not be able to give our viewers that much, but what do you think is going to happen with this market? The January slide in particular, was that all about the weather?
Look, yeah, this is what we've been kind of trying to tell people is just forget the snow. We know in the Northeast we've been hit pretty hard by it. It's definitely been something there.